Let us discuss classification of acids. There are different types of classification. First one, classification based on source. Second one, classification based on elements present in the acid. Third one, classification based on basicity of acid. Fourth one, classification based on strength of the acid. Next, classification based on volatility, and also classification based on concentration of the acid. Okay, so these are the different types of classification. So let us discuss each and every classification in detail. First one, classification based on source. There are two types of acids. One is inorganic acid, second one organic acids. Let us discuss what is inorganic acid. Generally, inorganic acids are non-carbon acids. Okay, next one, they derived from one or more inorganic compounds. Next one, they are also called as mineral acids. Inorganic acids also called as mineral acids because they produced from minerals. So example for inorganic acids: HCl, HNO3, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. These are the some examples of inorganic acids or mineral acids. What is inorganic acid? They derived from one or more inorganic compounds, generally non-carbon acids. Carbon is not present. Okay, and they are also called mineral acids. Why? Because they produced from minerals. So these are inorganic acids. Next one, organic acids. Organic acids main source plants, animal tissues, and some fruits. Here some list is given: organic acid and their source. First one, acetic acid. The main source of acetic acid is vinegar. Vinegar is a sour liquid obtained by fermentation of grape juice. Grape juice on fermentation gives vinegar. Okay, so in vinegar the main acid present is acetic acid. Okay, next one, citric acid. Source of citric acid, citrus fruits. Citrus fruits nothing but lemon. If you can take lemon, which acid is present? Citric acid. Orange, citric acid. And also grapefruit, citrus acid present. Next one, third one, formic acid. Source, ants. Formic acid. In ants, what acid is present? Formic acid is present. Okay, next one, lactic acid. The main source of lactic acid is milk. From milk obtain lactic acid. Next one, stearic acid. Fats. Stearic acid is present. Uric acid. Source, urine. From urine, uric acid is obtained. Next one, tartaric acid. Tartaric acid present grapes and also tamarind tree. In tamarind tree, which acid is present? Tartaric acid. Next one, ascorbic acid. Source, tomato. In tomato, ascorbic acid is present. Malic acid. Malic acid source, apple. Okay, so these are the some organic acids and their sources. Okay, next one, classification based on elements present in the acid. There are two types of acids: hydracids or binary acids. This is the classification based on elements present in the acid. Hydracid, it contains hydrogen. It contains hydrogen as one of the element, hydrogen and a non-metal. It contains hydrogen and a non-metal. Okay, example, HCl, hydrogen and non-metal, chlorine. HF, HBr, HI. These are all examples of hydracids. H2S. Okay, so hydracids means it contains hydrogen and also a non-metal. Cl non-metal, fluorine non-metal, bromine non-metal, iodine non-metal, sulfur non-metal. Okay, and also must contain hydrogen. Okay, next one, oxyacids. or ternary acid. These are containing hydrogen, oxygen and a non-metal. These are oxyacids containing hydrogen, oxygen and a non-metal. Okay, example H2SO4. Sulfuric acid is a oxyacid. It contains hydrogen, oxygen and also non-metal sulfur. Okay, H2SO3. Sulfurous acid, oxyacid. HNO3. Nitric acid, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, non-metal. HNO2. Nitrous acid, hydrogen, oxygen, non-metal. Okay, H3PO4. Phosphoric acid, hydrogen, oxygen, non-metal, phosphorus. H3PO3. Phosphorus acid, hydrogen, oxygen, non-metal, phosphorus. Okay, HClO4. Perchloric acid, hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, non-metal. HClO. Hypochlorous acid, hydrogen, oxygen, non-metal. So oxyacids containing hydrogen, oxygen and a non-metal. Okay, hydracids, they contains hydrogen and also a non-metal. Okay, so these are the classification based on elements present in the acid, hydracids and also oxyacids. Okay, next classification based on basicity of acid. Let us discuss what is basicity. The number of H plus ions or hydronium ions in aqueous produced from one molecule of acid is known as basicity. For example, if you can take HCl, it can produce how many H plus ion? 1 H plus ion. That's why basicity of HCl is 1. In aqueous, how many hydronium ions? 1 hydronium ion. Formula H3O plus. Okay, so the number of H plus ions or hydronium ions in aqueous produced from one molecule of acid is known as basicity. Okay, so what is the basicity of HCl? 1. So based on basicity, we can classify acids: monobasic acid, dibasic acid, tribasic acid. Okay, let us discuss monobasic acids first. What is monobasic acid? So it can produce only one H plus. Produce one H plus ion. Okay, or one ionizable ion. It contains one ionizable ion, or it can produce one H plus ion. So basicity is 1. For monobasic acids, basicity is 1. Example, just now we discussed HCl, monobasic acid. HNO3, it is also monobasic acid, H plus NO3 minus. Okay, and also some more examples: CH-COOH, monobasic acid; HF, monobasic acid; perchloric acid; HClO4, monobasic acid, perchloric acid. Okay, na? Next one, HBr, monobasic acid; HI, monobasic acid. These and all gives one H plus ion. Okay, that's why they are examples for monobasic acid. Okay, now next one, dibasic acid. They can produce 2 H plus ions. There are 2 ionizable hydrogens. Second one, basicity of dibasic acid is 2. Okay, example, H2SO4 is a dibasic acid, right? Sulfuric acid, dibasic acid. It can produce 2H plus SO4, 2 minus. Next one, H2CO3, carbonic acid. It can produce 2H plus ions, right? Carbonic acid. So dibasic acid. So basicity is 2. They can produce 2H plus ions. So dibasic acids forms 2 series of salts. They can form 2 series of salt. How they can form 2 series of salt? For example, you can take sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So as basicity is 2, example, you can take sulfuric acid, H2SO4, react with a base, for example NaOH. one hydrogen replaced by sodium and forms NaHSO4. One hydrogen replaced by sodium and forms NaHCO4, sodium hydrogen sulfate. So this is acidic salt. Acidic salt means if there is at least one replaceable hydrogen is present, then the salt is known as acidic salt. Actually, in H2SO4, how many replaceable hydrogens present? Two replaceable hydrogens present, because basicity is 2, no? So it can give 2H plus ion. But here, one hydrogen only replaced by sodium. But there is one more hydrogen, that is replaceable hydrogen. So that's why this is known as acidic salt. Okay. And also, for suppose H2SO4 react with 2 mole NaOH, form Na2SO4 plus H2O. 2H2O. 2 hydrogens replaced by sodium. No more replaceable hydrogens. That's why this is a simple salt, normal salt. Okay. So this is acidic salt and this is simple salt or normal salt. No replaceable hydrogens. Okay. H2SO4, how many replaceable hydrogens present? 2 replaceable hydrogens present. As basicity is 2. Basicity is defined as the number of H plus ions given by one molecule of acid, or the number of replaceable hydrogens by metal atom in one molecule of acid. That is also known as basicity. In H2SO4, how many replaceable hydrogens? 2 replaceable hydrogens present, because it can give 2H plus ions. That's why basicity 2. So in this reaction, only one hydrogen only replaced. So this is a salt. In this salt, one more replaceable hydrogen present. That's why this is acidic salt. Acidic salt means if there is at least one replaceable hydrogen present, known as acidic salt. No replaceable hydrogens present, that is normal salt or simple salt. So dibasic acid forms 2 series of salt. One is acidic salt, another one is simple salt. Okay. Third one, tribasic acid. Tribasic acid means there are 3 replaceable hydrogens present or produce 3 H plus ions or 3 replaceable hydrogens present. Okay. Basicity is 3, right? Example, H3PO4, phosphoric acid. It can produce how many H plus ions? 3 H plus ions and forms phosphate ion. PO4 3 minus. Phosphate ion. It can produce 3 H plus ions. That means 3 replaceable hydrogens present in phosphoric acid, H3PO4. That's why basicity is 3. Now tell me, so a tribasic acid forms how many type of salts? 3 type of salts, right? 3 series of salts. Example, H3PO4 plus NaOH, NaH2PO4 plus H2O. See this? Acid, base to give salt and water. This is what type of salt? Acidic salt. How you can say acidic salt? In H3PO4, 3 replaceable hydrogens present, as basicity is 3. But here in this reaction, only one hydrogen only replaced by metal atom. Okay, remaining 2 more replaceable hydrogens are there. That's why this is acidic salt. In case H3PO4 react with 2 mole NaOH, then 2 hydrogens replaced by 2 sodium atom, Na2HPO4 plus 2H2. Here one more replaceable hydrogen present, right? One more replaceable hydrogen. That's why this is also acidic salt. Next one. In case H3PO4 react with 3 mole NaOH and forms Na3PO4 sodium phosphate plus 3H2O. This is a simple salt because no replaceable hydrogens present. Simple salt. That's why a tribasic acid forms 3 series of salts. 2 acidic salt, 1 simple salt. So these are the classification based on basicity of acid. So once again I repeat, what is basicity? Basicity is the number of H plus ions produced by one molecule of acid, the number of hydronium ions in aqueous given by one acid molecule is known as basicity, or also the number of replaceable hydrogens by metal atom in one molecule of acid, also known as basicity. Okay, let us discuss some more examples. Oxalic acid. What is the formula of oxalic acid? H2C2O4. Okay, so also we can write like this: COOH, COOH. Oxalic acid. It can produce how many H plus ions? 2 H plus ions plus C2O4 2 minus oxalate ion. That's why basicity of oxalic acid is 2. Why 2? It can produce 2 H plus ions and gives oxalate ion. So it has 2 replaceable hydrogens. So these 2 hydrogens are replaceable. That's why basicity is 2. Next, phosphorus acid. Formula H3PO3, phosphorus acid. We expect phosphorus acid basicity is 3 because it contains 3 hydrogens. But that is wrong. Why? Because even though it contains 3 hydrogens, but it can produce only 2 H plus. That's why phosphorus acid basicity is 2, not 3. Even though it contains 3 hydrogens, but basicity is 2. Why? Because it can produce 2 H plus. That means it has only 2 replaceable hydrogens only. All 3 hydrogens are not replaceable hydrogens. Why? Because this one we can explain based on structure. H3PO3 structure like this. Structures you will learn in the higher classes. See, for understanding, I explain based on structure. This is the structure of H3PO3. Remember one thing, the hydrogen present in hydroxyl group is only replaceable hydrogen. See, these 2 hydrogens only replaceable. This one not replaceable hydrogen because this hydrogen not in hydroxyl group. These 2 hydrogens in hydroxyl groups. That's why these 2 hydrogens only replaceable, but this hydrogen is not replaceable. That's why in H3PO3, even though it contains 3 hydrogens, but it cannot produce 3 H plus. It can produce 2 H plus only. 2 replaceable hydrogens only it contains. That's why basicity is 2, not basicity 3. For suppose, if you can take H3PO2, hypophosphorus acid. Here also we can expect basicity is 3, but here basicity is not 3. Basicity is 1. Why? Because it can produce 1 H plus ion only, H2PO2 minus. Basicity is 1. Even though it contains 3 hydrogens, but it cannot produce 3 H plus. It can produce only 1 H plus. That's why basicity is 1. That means it has 1 replaceable hydrogen only. All hydrogens are not replaceable hydrogens. Just now we discussed what hydrogens replaceable. The hydrogens in hydroxyl group, only replaceable hydrogens. This is the structure of H3PO2. So this hydrogen only replaceable. These 2 hydrogens are not replaceable. This hydrogen only replaceable. That's why basicity is 1. Got it? So even though, so finally, what is the final conclusion? Basicity is always not equal to the number of hydrogens present in the acid molecule. Basicity is equal to number of replaceable hydrogens, or it is equal to the number of H plus ions given by one acid molecule. Got it? So here H3PO3 basicity, even though it contains 3, but basicity is 2. H3PO2, even though it contains 3 hydrogens, but basicity 1. Why? Because it has only 1 replaceable hydrogen. In H3PO3, 2 replaceable hydrogens. So that's why H3PO3, it forms 2 series of salts only, not 3 series. Why? Because this is a dibasic acid. What is the 2 series of salt? One is acidic salt, another one is normal salt. What is the acidic salt? Tell me. H3PO3, acidic salt. NaH2PO3, acidic salt. What is simple salt? Na2HPO3. This is simple salt, right? This is acidic salt and this is simple salt. How you can say this is simple salt? This hydrogen is not replaceable hydrogen. What is acidic salt? At least one replaceable hydrogen present, that is acidic salt. Even though it has one hydrogen, but this is not replaceable hydrogen. That's why that is a simple salt. Here two hydrogens are there. Out of two hydrogens, one is replaceable hydrogen, one is not replaceable. So one replaceable hydrogen is present. That's why acidic salt. Got it? If you compare with H3PO4, if you now tell me H3PO2, it can form only one type of salt, that is simple salt, because one replaceable hydrogen only present. So what is that simple salt of H3PO2? NaH2PO2. This is a simple salt. How you can say this is simple salt? No more replaceable hydrogens, because in H3PO2 one replaceable hydrogen only present, so that hydrogen replaced by Na, so remaining two hydrogens are not replaceable, so that's why these are not replaceable hydrogens. That's why this is a simple salt. In this one, out of two hydrogens, one replaceable, another one is non-replaceable, so one replaceable hydrogen is present. That's why acidic salt. In Na2HPO3, this hydrogen is a non-replaceable hydrogen. That's why this is a simple salt. In these two hydrogens, not replaceable. That's why simple salt. Got it? Phosphoric acid, H3PO4. Already we discussed phosphoric acid, H3PO4. It can form how many type of salt? Three type of salts. NaH2PO4. This is a acidic salt. Na2HPO4. This is also acidic salt. Na3PO4, this is a simple salt, because all these three hydrogens are replaceable hydrogens. Okay, what is the structure of H3PO4? This is the structure of H3PO4. All hydrogens present in hydroxyl group. That's why all these hydrogens are replaceable. That's why basicity is 3 replaceable hydrogens present, and it can produce three type of salt, two acidic salt and one is simple salt, right?